how to swap Solana to Ethereum on Phantom Wallet. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can swap Solana to Ethereum on Phantom Wallet. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the Phantom app on your mobile and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Over here, tap on the swap icon, which is on the middle of the screen. Then in the You Pay section, select the coin that you want to swap. In our case, it is Solana. As I don't have any amount in my wallet, that's why it is not showing any token. But you will be able to see it if you have any balance. Then similarly, in the You Receive section, select the coin in which you want to swap. In our case, it is Ethereum. After that, you have to just follow some on-screen instructions and your coin or token will be swapped. So that's how you can swap Solana to Ethereum on Phantom Wallet. That's all for this video.